There are many types of diets, each with its own set of guidelines and recommendations. Here is a brief overview of some of the most popular diets, along with information on when and which one may be best for you, and how to follow them. Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is based on the traditional eating habits of people living in countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, such as Greece and Italy. It emphasizes whole, minimally processed foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. It also includes moderate amounts of fish, poultry, and dairy, and limited amounts of red meat and sweets. This diet has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Low-carb diet. Low-carb diets are characterized by a reduction in carbohydrates and an increase in protein and fat intake. The most popular low-carb diets include the Atkins diet and the ketogenic diet. These diets can be effective for weight loss and blood sugar control, but may not be sustainable in the long term. It is important to choose healthy sources of protein and fat, such as lean meats, nuts, and avocado, and to avoid processed foods and added sugars. Vegan diet. A vegan diet excludes all animal products, including meat, dairy, and eggs, and is based on plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. Vegan diets can be healthy if well planned to ensure adequate protein, iron, and vitamin B12 intake. They have been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer, but may require careful attention to ensure adequate nutrient intake. Paleo diet. The Paleo diet is based on the idea of eating like our ancestors did during the Paleolithic era, before the advent of agriculture. It emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods such as lean meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, while avoiding grains, legumes, and dairy. While the Paleo diet may offer some health benefits such as weight loss and improved blood sugar control, it may also be difficult to follow long-term and may not be suitable for everyone. DASH diet. The dietary approaches to stop hypertension, DASH diet, is designed to reduce blood pressure and promote heart health. It emphasizes whole, minimally processed foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy, while limiting saturated and trans fats, added sugars, and sodium. The DASH diet has been shown to be effective in reducing blood pressure and improving heart health. When to choose a diet? The choice of diet depends on an individual's goals, health status, and personal preferences. Some diets may be more appropriate for weight loss, while others may be better for managing specific health conditions such as diabetes or heart disease. It is important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting a new diet to ensure that it is safe and appropriate for you. How to follow a diet. To follow a diet, it is important to start with a clear plan and set realistic goals. This may involve keeping a food diary, meal planning, and shopping for healthy foods. It is also important to stay motivated and accountable, and to seek support from friends, family, or a healthcare provider if needed. Remember, a healthy diet is not just about what you eat, but also about how you eat. Taking time to enjoy meals and practicing mindful eating can help you achieve long-term success. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please click like, write a comment, express your opinion. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel because we will offer you more good videos.